Group fitness was one of the top 10 trends in the American College of Sports Medicine's list, but the pandemic has radically changed how people work out. Circle of Health reporter Lori Corbin looks at how fitness pros have transformed exercise to fit our stay-at-home situation.
There's something that is so unique about being in a room of people working out, and we can't mimic that right now, but being in a virtual room of people there's still something that's so much more special.
Brittany Freeman owns 2 Orange County studios called Tone Barre. She shut down her clubs and began running virtual workouts within 12 hours with the help of a company called LAGRONE, an organization that helps fitness studios all over the world become viable online.
Once COVID kicked in, now everything had to change. So, the way that you offered, the way that you marketed, the way that you sold things.
LAGRONE's Mike Arce is now helping 1,400 studios globally stay afloat through Zoom room classes, Facebook chats, even a podcast. He says the fitness community is hungry for community too.
94% of the members we interviewed preferred working out live stream with their studio over a free YouTube video. And when we asked why, the number one reason was socialization. You got to remember, everyone's quarantined.
There's gym owners with leases they can't use and consumers that are home and are paralyzed. So some companies are offering some creative solutions for everyone.
People tend to want to do yoga at home. There are 100 million reasons for that. Convenience is one of them.
Pivot Yoga offers in-home yoga with top yoga instructors working with you and your own avatar. You'll need the necessary Pivot shirt and pants, which cost $99. Then it's $19 a month. For those loving an outdoor group fitness challenge, companies like The Conqueror make it fun to sign up for distance challenges that can have you virtually competing with others in iconic races and earning swag, with entries starting at $29.95. Lori Corbin, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.